everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can create a poll on the Tumblr mobile app. For this, all you have to do is follow the following steps and you should be good to go. Step 1. Open the Tumblr app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, select poll from the list of post options. Then, enter your question in the designated field. Next, add your answer options. You can add multiple answer options by tapping the plus button. Next, customize your poll by setting a time limit. If you want your poll to have a specific duration, tap set a time limit and choose the desired time frame. You can also allow multiple answers by toggling the allow multiple answers switch to the on position. You can next tap posts to share your poll with your followers. Let me give you some tips. Don't forget to use clear and concise language in your question and answer section. Keep your poll focused on a single topic. Consider adding a relevant image or GIF to your poll to make it more visually appealing. Also, engage with your followers by responding to their comments and votes. Follow these steps and you can easily create engaging polls on Tumblr mobile and gather valuable insights from your audience. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.